Hello, this is Joan Fernley, your French and Latin diction coach for choirs. In this video, I will read the Gradual. This is the second Latin tutorial of my 11-part series covering all the Latin texts of the Classic Choral Latin Requiem. You'll find the link to the full playlist in the description box below. It's one video tutorial for each part of the Requiem. The only exception is the first video that combines the introit and the Kyrie just because the Kyrie is so short. Also included in the playlist is my introduction to this series. It's the guide I wish I had when I set out on this project. Most classic choral Latin requiems follow a standard list of prayers, but composers might split or tie prayers together or add or omit prayers. Just look at a table of contents of a few masterworks and requiems can appear more unique than standard. So I highly recommend you watch my video. It covers just enough history and background to make sense of any classic choral Latin requiem, and it will help you match the right video to the movement you're working on, no matter which composer. As always, if you like what I do, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. The Gradual is in two sections. Each section is titled according to the incipit, that is, according to the first word or two of each section or verse. I've put the timestamps where each section begins. This way you can jump ahead to wherever you need to be. And if you want to dig deeper into the pronunciation, check out my guide to Italian and Ecclesiastical Latin, which is the pronunciation I use in all my videos. For each section, I will read the text twice. The first time I will read at a conversational pace to give you an idea of the phrasing. And the second time I'll repeat that section slowly, word for word, to bring out the pronunciation of each individual word. Requiem aeternam dona eis Domine, et lux perpetua luceat eis. Requiem aeternam dona eis Domine, et lux perpetua luceat eis. In memoria aeterna erit justus, ab auditione mala non timebit. In memoria aeterna erit justus, ab auditione mala non timebit. And there you have it, the Gradual. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.